Hey guys, I'm here and I got a surprise from my mom today. Let's open it and see what it is. And I already know what it is, but you guys don't, because I had to wait a few minutes to come. Oh, it's so cute. I'll see myself. So cute every time I look at him. I'm sorry, Bubby, I'm going to have to take you out. Can't get this thing off. Isn't it funny? Oh, there you go. Happy buddy. This is my puppy. Okay, here's my face. Oh, trying to say hello. Can you wave? Good boy. Yeah, we're gonna play peekaboo. Peek up. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Puppy, do you see YouTube? His name is Nero from Monster. Do you see us, buddy? He's trying to wave at you. Oh, ow, he scratched me, that little bugger. He's gonna go closer to you guys. His tail is so tiny. His tail is so tiny. His tail is so tiny. Isn't your tail tiny? Isn't up. Going in the box. Going in here. Okay, he's going in here. He's very nervous. It's his first day here. Tomorrow. Alright, let's just set it out nice and neatly. Let's put these away. Guys, he's only 6 weeks, so I'm really happy. He's the tiniest thing I've ever seen. So, yeah. Oh, no, Bubby, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? So sweet, he accidentally pulled his tail. Oh, bless you. I'll leave the blanket here so he could snuggle up to the wall. This is so funny. Now, leave it like this now. He'll have a little purple area and a blue area. The blue area is for him to lay down and stuff. And these gloves are actually to help me so I don't get scraped. Where's the second one? Where's the second one? It's probably somewhere. I don't want to find it. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Bye.